I'm Claire.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
I'm Alexis. And I'm Kaylee.
And we are Chat. Our project proposal is Greywater for a Better Day. We plan to reduce the water that is wasted at our school. We are all 7th graders here at Anacapa Middle School.
We propose to reduce and recycle some of the water wasted at Anacapa Middle School by installing a Greywater system for the sinks. This method will reduce the water going to the treatment plant and will instead be diverted for landscaping.
Our school used 5,100 cubic feet HCF in 2018. That's the same as 561,000 cubic feet, which is also equal to 419,628,000 gallons. The highest water usage was in September 2018, 125 HCF, used for watering the lawn. The lawn area in the quad is 16,653 square feet. There are 82 sinks at Anacapa and 3 water fountains.
Greywater is untreated wastewater that has not come in contact with toilet waste. It can include wash water from bathtubs, showers, bathroom wash bins, clothes washing machines, and laundry tubs, but does not include wash water from kitchen sinks, dishwashers, or toilets. There are 3 types of Greywater systems: laundry to laundry, simple, and complex Greywater systems. We propose an Aqua 2-use Pro Greywater system that complies with the City of Ventura guidelines and will require a permit as outlined by the city. Price will cost $10,000 to filter and divert all the water from the classroom and bathroom sinks to be used in watering the landscape. The installation will be performed by Ecosystems Renewable Resources.
By implementing a Greywater system in the classroom and bathroom sinks, we will be able to save water used on landscaping. We'll be able to measure the impact of our project through the water bill.
We took the opportunity to present our project proposal to the Board of Supervisors at the County Government Center. We called the company Ecosystems Renewable Resources to get a quote about price.